Mastering the Art of the Alphanumeric Outline with Roman Numerals. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of outlines, specifically focusing on the Roman numeral system for alphanumeric outlines. Outlining is a critical skill when organizing your thoughts for academic writing. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on how to use Roman numerals to craft detailed and effective outlines. Remember, a strong foundation makes for a sturdy building, and outlines are the foundation of good writing. An alphanumeric outline is a structured format for organizing ideas using numbers, letters, and, in this case, Roman numerals. This method is especially beneficial for academic and research writing because it allows you to lay out your main points and subpoints in a logical and organized manner. You might be wondering, why use Roman numerals? Well, Roman numerals offer a classic and distinguished method of numbering that visually differentiates primary points from secondary and tertiary points. When your reader or instructor sees an outline structured with Roman numerals, it immediately conveys a sense of professionalism and academic rigor. Let's break this down step by step. 1. I, 2, 3, IV. These represent your main points or primary headings. 2. Example. I. Introduction to Alphanumeric Outlines. 3. A, B, C, D. For subpoints or secondary headings under each main point. 4. Example. A definition of alphanumeric outlines. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tertiary points or details under the subpoints. 6. Example. 1. History of alphanumeric system. 7. A, B, C, D. Quaternary points or additional details, if needed. 8. Example. A. Origin of Roman numerals. As you can see, the combination of Roman numerals, letters, and numbers allows for a clear hierarchical structure, ensuring that every point and subpoint has its rightful place in the outline. 1. Be consistent. Ensure that if you have a I, you should have at least a 2. If you have an A, ensure there's a B. 2. Stay concise. Keep your points succinct. The outline is a skeleton, not the fleshed-out content. 3. Review and revise. Always go back and review your outline to ensure the flow of ideas makes logical sense. It's easier to make changes at this stage than in the middle of your paper. Outlining might seem like an extra step, but it's a step that can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. With the Roman numeral system for alphanumeric outlines in your toolkit, you're well on your way to mastering academic writing. We hope this video has been enlightening. Happy outlining and see you in the next lesson.